Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to present Sole in Talk a Lot. And in the Sole, what is happening? Just have a look on this.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे. Stop. What happened? Oh, I think this is Ramgarh. We have to go this Ramgarh.
Yes. For what?
To meet Thakur.
Oh, I remind. Thakur said, take the gabbar for bus.
Yes, my friend Jay. Thakur called us and say you have to take revenge. Let's go to Thakur.
But I scared gabbar.
You scared Gabbar?
Yes.
Don't scare, brother.
Huh?
Why? Let's go. I will take you, Gabbar, and we will say sorry. Huh? Yes. Good morning, Thakur sir.
Good morning.
You don't know my time is very precious. You got late.
Yeah. Traffic war.
Thakur sir, we were in the traffic jam. That's why we got late. Why did you call us here?
Cause you will have to kill Gabbar.
But Thakur sir, before killing gabbar, I want to.
We want to take you in the air.
Okay.
Oh, go. Thakur
Oh,
sir,
good.
tell me, why your forehead is swelling?
Because I went by the company and suddenly air is spoiling and my hand was running.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what happened?
And people thought I will dance. I'm dancing. That's why.
Okay. Okay, Thakur sir, don't waste time.
And
Tell us where we have to go.
Yes, for you.
I want to kill Gabbar and I want to take revenge of him. So you will have to go.
Okay, Thakur sir.
We are
We are
going
going.
for taking revenge for you.
Go.
How many people were there?
Boss, they were two.
They were two. And you were three. Even then you come back with the empty hand. What will you think? Then Sardar will be happy. Will give you reward. The son of X. Hey Samba,
Yes, my majesty.
how much reward kept on me by government?
My majesty 50,000.
50,000?
Yes, my majesty.
You know why government kept the reward of 50,000 on me? Because when the child cried, then his mother says, "Silent baby, otherwise the gabbar will come." And all of you three guys destroys gabbar name. Huh? The son of souls. Give me a revolver.
Yes, my lord. Take it.
How many bullets in this revolver?
6, boss.
6 bullets.
Yes, boss.
and they are 3 guys. It is unfair.
Yeah.
Okay, then. Now there are 3 bullets and 3 guys. Let's see what happened. Oh, lucky. You also lucky. Now what happened with you, Gaia?
Boss, I have had your salt.
Now have bullets. Oh, all guys are lucky. They all are alive. They all are alive. They all are alive. The son of pigs. Thank you.
Thank you.